So I've been trying to get this smart lock to calibrate for quite some time now. Invested a lot of time into this, and it has been a pain in the butt. So if you are doing the same thing, just stay tuned for the next like 45 seconds to a minute, and I'll explain what happened to me so that it doesn't happen to you, can save you a bunch of time, and let you all see what's happening here. This is the old one. This is the bad one. This one sucks. I hate this one. We hate this one. Okay, so this is in the fully locked position, and as you can tell, this is not all the way turned, and this is sticking up as so. Now let's do the other one here. If my fingers are working today. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have to edit this out of the video, y'all. Can't let my mom see me struggling like this. I promise y'all. There it is. All right, here we go. Look at this one. Look at the difference between these two. This is why the lock wouldn't calibrate. This is why I've wasted so much time trying to figure out what the hell is wrong with this thing. And this is what it's supposed to look like. So don't waste your time. Talk to Yale, get a new one of these, get one that doesn't suck like this one, and reinstall it. That's the only piece that you have to replace. Probably. I don't know. I don't have trust in a company that sends out stuff like this. So who knows what other components they have that are defective as well. But there you go. And I hope this saved you a bunch of time. Cheers.